Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites, level 20 or higher and arcana around 60% so spells interact correctly with the relic. Once verified, gather 3 shadow shards and 1 moon root to fuel the binding ritual. These are consumed, so make sure you have extras. Then equip a keyed map and set a safe respawn point. This saves time if you fail. These first actionable steps place you inside the zone ready to trigger the Kellen Oblivion encounter. Once inside the hollow gate at midnight, use a shadow shard to reveal the hidden path because the relic responds only to shadow-imbued light. Move steadily and follow glyph markers. They guide you past traps and minimize time in combat. When you reach the chamber, engage the triple runic puzzle by aligning 3 runes clockwise to match the relic's resonance. This lowers the Guardian's shield. Make sure to manage stamina and use a quick heal between attempts to avoid restart penalties. You complete the sequence by placing Moonroot on the central altar and performing the binding chant slowly and deliberately. Timing influences success rate, so breathe and speak each line rhythmically. When the Guardian manifests, wait for the core to flash, then strike for critical damage. Repeated rapid hits break its defense. If the ritual fails, reload from your safe respawn and try again, adjusting rune alignment timing by about 0.2 seconds. This minor tweak fixes most sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.